Hi Long Beach, my name is Alyna, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Shamrock Shake. Before we begin today, please make sure that you have your parental supervision while participating with me. Alright, for today's Shamrock Shakes, these are the ingredients that we're going to be using. Some milk, some vanilla ice cream, whipped cream, a half teaspoon measuring cup, 1 cup measuring cup, a spoon for mixing, a cup for our Shamrock Shake, green food coloring, and mint extract. Okay, so our first step we're gonna do is take our 1 cup measuring cup and get 2 scoops of our vanilla ice cream and put it into our cup. You can use a spoon to help you get it out. Okay, so for our next step, we're gonna take our milk and pour 1 cup into our cup with our ice cream. Careful not to spill. Okay, and for our next step, we're gonna get our half a teaspoon measuring cup and pour our mint extract into our shake. And now I'm gonna add about 6 drops of green food coloring into my shake. And now we're gonna mix it all together. And remember, if I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video while you catch up. And we're just gonna stir until we get an even consistency throughout the whole cup. And now we're gonna take our ready whipped cream, give it a nice good shake, and put it right on top of our shake. And if you wanted to add a little bit of fun to the top of your shake, you can add a cherry and some green sprinkles to top it off. And now for our taste test. Delicious. Thanks for following along with me today. I hope your shake was as good as mine. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment for what you would like to see us do next. Bye, Long Beach!